Hey travelers, it's Imam from Travels with Imam, and welcome back to our ultimate travel insurance guide. Imagine you're exploring a new country and suddenly you're hit with a fever or food poisoning. What happens next? In this episode, we'll break down exactly what to do if you get sick abroad and how your travel insurance fits into it. Step 1. Don't panic. Get to a safe space and assess your symptoms. Use translation apps if needed to explain how you're feeling to locals. If it's urgent, head to the nearest hospital or call an ambulance. Here's where your travel insurance steps in. Most good policies cover emergency medical treatment abroad. Show them your insurance certificate or ID number. Some clinics even bill your insurer directly, while others may ask you to pay up front. If you pay out of pocket, save everything. Bills, prescriptions, even receipts from taxis to the hospital. Many insurers have a mobile app or 24/7 emergency hotline to guide you through the process. Make sure your documentation is solid. Insurance companies will want doctor's notes, itemized bills, and proof of treatment. Once you're stable, contact your insurer to begin the claim. Most let you file online. Upload documents and track the claim status. Getting sick abroad isn't fun, but with the right travel insurance and a clear plan, you'll get through it. Hey travelers, welcome back to Travels with Imam. Something went wrong on your trip. I'll show you exactly how to file a travel insurance claim the right way. Before filing anything, know what's covered. Medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and travel delays are typically claimable. But if it's poor planning or excluded in your policy, it'll be denied. Always check your policy wording first. Gather all proof: medical reports, police reports for theft, flight delay notices, photos of damaged items, and your policy number. Take clear, itemized photos of all receipts. Blurry documentation is a common reason for claim delays. Most insurers offer online claims. Log into their portal, select your claim type, and upload documents with a clear explanation. Mobile apps make it even easier. Stick to facts, dates, and specific expenses you want covered. You'll get confirmation immediately. Processing takes 3 days to 3 weeks. Respond quickly if they need more information. Avoid rookie mistakes. Don't delay filing, ensure receipts are clear, and include all key details. Most deadlines are 30 to 60 days. Filing doesn't have to be stressful. Stay organized, follow the process, and double-check everything before submitting. Next episode, I'll compare the top travel insurance providers for 2025. Subscribe so you don't miss it. You're watching Travels with Imam. Travel smart, travel safe.